Friends, welcome to my channel MP Educate. Let us discuss the most important diagram based question of the chapter number 6. Friends, if you do the diagram based question, definitely you will get the 40 out of 40 marks. And this diagram based question and characteristics also help you to get the MCQ questions. Identify the phylum of given animal and write the characteristic of the phylum. So from the diagram only you can see it is about the cycon sponge and it is from the phylum Perifera. As the name suggests Porifera, this animal have the pores on their body. Here, these animals are with the simplest body plane and they are called the sponges. They bear the numerous pores on their body. These pores are called the ostia or the ocula. These are the aquatic animal. Most of them are marine, few are the freshwater. Most of the animal have the asymmetrical body. This animal has the special type of the cell. It is called the collar cell. This animal are always added to the substratum, so they do not show the locomotion. Hence, they refer as the sedentary animal. This can be asked as a reason also. Here, friends, you can read the characteristics 6, 7 and 8 to get the MCQ question. This is important. Specula are made up of the calcium carbonate or the silica, and this animal feed on the small organism taken in the body along with the water. Water is taken to the ostia and given out to the oscula. Now, this animal is reproduced by the budding on asexual method and bisexual method. Friends, let us move to our next diagram based question. This diagram based question is too important. Let us first label the diagram. These are the antenna, this is head, this is thorax, these are the wings and these are the legs. Friends, to which phylum this cockroaches belongs to? As we know, cockroaches belong to the arthropoda. Now, justify your answer with scientific reason. That means you have to write down the characteristic of the arthropoda. This animal have the joint appendix. These are the most important characteristic. Hence, they are called the arthropoda. The planet Earth has the highest number of this animal. These are the largest phylum. So this can be asked in the MCQ question. This animal found in all the type of habitat, that is from the deepest ocean to highest mountain. Body of this animal are diploblastic, equalmate, bilateral symmetric or the segmented and chitinous exoskeleton present around the body. This animal are unisexual. Let us move to our next diagram based question. Friends, write the phylum as we know that the species are belong to phylum Chordata and class is species. The characteristic of this phylum are too simple to give answer. These are the cold-blooded animal, aquatic animal living in marine as well as freshwater. They have the spindle-shaped body to minimize the water register. This can be asked as a reason. They have the pair and unpaired fins for the swimming and the tail face is useful for the steering the organ during the swimming. Exoskeleton is in the form of the scale. Exoskeleton is either cartilaginous or the bony. The respiration occurs to the gills. Let us move to our next diagram based question. Here we have to identify the phylum and we have to write down the name the substance with which their body is covered. So we can from the diagram only we can say this is starfish, this is sea cucumber, this is sea urchin. Now they are belong to the phylum Echinodermata. What is the meaning of the Echinodermata or name the substance with which their body is covered? Calcareous spines are present on their body. So these animals are called the Echinodermata. This is the most important characteristic. They are mostly found in ocean. Their body is the triploblastic and equal match, and it is radially symmetrical in adult stage. That is the important in the adult stage. However, they show bilateral symmetry in larvae stage. They perform locomotion with the help of the tube foot. Here is our answer of the third question. The tube foot also helpful for capturing the prey, and some animals are the sedentary. They have the skeleton made up of the calcareous fine. This is as the first characteristic. This animal have the good ability of the regeneration. Most of this animal are unisexual animal. Friends, have you seen that the sub question of the diagram based question are too simple to give answer, and if you remember the characteristic, it help you to get the MCQ question also. So friends, do the diagram based question and get 40 out of 40 marks. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.